Discord has added a new feature called Easy Peasy Emoji Making. I'm sure you all have received this notification. I'll teach you how to use this new feature. I want to let you know that not everybody has gotten this feature yet, only a select few did. So you need to wait for the update. There's a complete article on this feature. I will link it in the description so you can give it a read. Now go to your Discord server and click Emoji section. You will find Add Emoji. Just click that, your folder will open up. From your folder, you can pick any emoji that you wish to add. But you need to already have an emoji in your PC. There we have it. The emoji is saved in your Discord server, as you can see it here. The emoji has just been added. It also publicly notifies everybody in the main chat about the new emoji being added. Also, I'm using my friend Annie's account to make this video since she's the only one who got this feature, so a huge thanks to her. The second new feature is naming your group. When you make a new group in DMs, you will receive an option to name it. Not something to write home about, but since it's my job to inform you about the new update, that's why I showed it. As I mentioned earlier, not everybody has received this feature yet. You'll need to wait until it drops. But until then, you can join my Discord server to make friends, for decors and layouts, to learn Discord tricks and many cool things. So yes, if you like this video, hit the like and subscribe button.